Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay September 17, 2023 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong September 17, 2023 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong Sunday, September 17, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for September 17, 2023, Sunday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for September 17, 2023, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of September 17, 2023, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.